Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to make chin flakes and your normal chin. Watch to the end of this video to see how it was made. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more of my videos. In a bowl, I'll go in with half cup of flour. Then I'll just be adding a pinch of salt. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then I'll just add little nutmeg to this. I'll add 1.5 teaspoon of milk powder. Then I'll go in with my butter. I use 15 grams of butter. Next, I'll go in with my water. I use 2 tablespoons of water. But for the water, when you're mixing yours, if it's not enough, you can add little, but don't add too much so you don't have a starchy dough. I'll just place this on my board to hold together. So like I said, I'll be showing you how to make the flakes and the normal one. Just make sure it is flat as possible. Once I'm done, I'm going to cut it to my desired size and shape. There are so many methods for these chin flakes. I have a video on one other method. There's a second method. I think I prefer this method. It is less stressful than the other one and it's also faster to make. If you've not liked this video and you're still watching till now, please do well to like this video. You can also leave a comment in the comment section, and this is what we have from the dough we just rolled out. Once you place your chin flakes in your oil, you'll notice it comes up, and when it stops boiling or when it starts sitting down in your pot, you should know it is ready to be taken out. I let mine overstay. I wish I had removed it earlier. It got a bit burnt, so just notice when to remove it so it does not get burnt. Remember, this is very flat, so you don't need to let it heat too much. This is the second one. And here our chin is ready. You can tell me what you think about this video in the comment section, and if you also be trying it out. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.